Welcome to this course basic manufacturing process lecture, unit 3rd and lecture 54. The working principle of the drilling machine and the other machining operation. Agenda for today present in this video the working principle of the drilling machine, working principle of drilling machine, rotary motion, linear motion toward the fixed and workpiece, size of the drilling machine, specification of the drilling machines, drilling operations, and milling, work for working principle of the milling machine, and types of the milling machine. These are present in this video one by one is in detail. Working principle of the drilling machines. We have already discussed the metal cutting operation, the produce for cylindrical holes or enlarge the ejecting of hole with an end of cutting tools is the drilling. The end of cutting tools used for drilling holes in the workpiece is called the twist drilling. The provide bit of the cutting tools is used. Rotary motion. The rotary motion is called as mean motion, cutting motion. Some of cases in the motion give the workpiece is a example while the drilling on the lathe, the cutting motion is generalized measured in meter per mm. Its highest cutting speed is on the prepay of the drilling and decreases toward the entire of the drill. The working principle of the drilling machines linear motion toward for the fix of workpiece. The motion is called the feed control of the controls the thickness of the chip. The small bench of drilling machines tend to give feed. The workpiece is moved toward the rotary drill, raising the table. Heat is generally measured in per revolution. As the drill is provided with the two cutting, the thickness of the chip is sharp feed. This is the drilling tools of the drilling machines. Use is the tip of the tools and this is the rotary motion of the workpiece and drill. This is the work, this is the tool drill tools and this is a feed of motion feed the vertically feed of motion in the tools. The this is the cutting motion of the tool, cutting motion of the tools. This is the workpiece is the fixed position fixed of the workpiece and this is a wave of the tip of the tools and this is the nip of the tool, the motion of the twist drill of machine. Size of the drilling machines. The portable drilling machines are designed to the maximum diameter of drill they can hold. The sensitive of upright drilling machines are specified by the diameter of the largest workpiece. It can be commanded for the twist of the clearance between the center line, the drilling machine of fame. The size of radial drill machines is designed by the length of the radial of arm and column of diameters. The specification of the drilling machines. Heavy duty of drilling machines is specified the following parameters: drilling of capacity, taper of spindle mouse, distance between the spindle and column, maximum and minimum. In case of a radial drilling machine, transfer of spindles, transfer of spindle, minimum distance between the spindle and table, and minimum distance between the spindle and shape of blade, working surface of the table diameter, range of the spindle speed, range of the power feed per revolution, motor speed and motor power. Drilling operations. Drilling, it is operation of producing the circular hole on in a workpiece, forcing of the drilling against and boring. It is an operation of enlarge of holes that have already been drilled by the single point tools so as the work of the required size. Ramming, it is the operation of slightly enlarged machine hole proper size with the smooth finish. The reamer is an accurate tool not designed to remove the much metal. The remaining allowance is usually 0.2 mm only. Drilling operations. Tapering is the operation of the producing the internal threads of the hole means the tool is called the tip. This is the tip tools of the ramming tools of the reamer. And second is the tools is the teeth, small size of teeth in the tools both side, and this is the main of tools. Counter boring machine is used hand tip of the room. Counter boring machine, it is an operation enlarge the mounted on the drill holes, set a bolt heads and nut of the glue is surface. The boring drill which the small to end of mill of the single blade around of give to cutting edge and the grit of the pallet inches fit into the drill holes. And second is the mounted on the, this is the drills of the, this is the growing of the tool of the, this is the, and second is the reaming of the head of the tools is the mounted on the, and the sort of the finishing. And second is the use for the enlarge of the boring machines and is the reaming of the sliding of the tapering head of the tools. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the drilling machine the types of tool used in the drilling holes.